So now I'm going to talk about how to set your bike up for flatland riding. Basically, it's the same sort of thing as a dirt jumping bike. You're looking at a 20-inch BMX style bicycle, but once again, the geometry on this frame is completely different. They have a really short top tube and really square geometry. They also come with a gyro, which allows you to spin the bars 360 degrees and not get the cables tangled up, and the brakes will still work perfectly. They also come with pegs on both sides of the bike, in the front and in the rear, so that you can put your feet on them and basically perform different tricks. I can't ride a 20-inch standard BMX bike like this one, dirt jumping bike, so I would have to go with something a lot bigger, like something like this here, which is the same sort of thing. It's a dirt jumping BMX bike, except it comes with a lot bigger wheels on it, much bigger frame, but as you can see, it's still set up the same way. Everything's just a lot bigger. So make sure when you're going to look for this stuff that you get fitted properly and you talk to somebody who knows the sport.